Today's video is going to be another short one. In this one, we're going to be talking about optical flow and how you can use it to make your not shot in slow motion footage look like real slow motion. It's pretty sweet. So we're going to right click on this clip in our timeline, and then we're going to come up to change clip speed. We're going to click on change clip speed, and then we're going to make sure that this ripple sequence box is checked. And you can see right here that I've shot this in 24 frames per second. Speed is at 100%, but what we're going to do is something crazy. We're going to drop that speed down to 40%. Now if we go back in here, we're at 9.6 frames per second. So we'll play this back and see how this varies from our original clip. Very skippy, very choppy, kind of gives you some of those Steamboat Mickey type vibes. There's a lot of movement between each frame. We don't want that. So what we're going to do is what this video is about. We're going to go over here into our inspector panel, and we're going to come down to retime and scaling, and we're going to change the retime process to be optical flow. And now if we watch this, look what happens. All of those frames are automatically populated, but you can see right here, sometimes you get some ghosting if there's a lot of movement in the frame. Because what optical flow does is it sees where one frame is and where the next frame is, and it tries to make a third frame to put in between them. So it's not always perfect, but it is a lot better than having no optical flow in most situations, especially if you aren't doing something so extreme as trying to make 9.6 frames per second look good. So like I said, very fast video today, but optical flow is right there in the retime and scaling section of your inspector panel, and if you don't know it's there, you can't use it. Go out there, make your slow motion look way more smooth, and enjoy the process. I'll see you tomorrow.